We offer now a suite of programmes that allow students to specialise a little bit earlier. So students now can undertake a law and business degree here at NUI Galway, or a law general programme, or a law and human rights programme. And what that means is that the students can align their own interests with where they want to go in their career. Some of the very distinctive things about a law degree from NUI Galway is that all students that undertake a law degree with us, they have the opportunity for work placement or study abroad in year 3. And that helps the students to develop those skills they need to succeed once they graduate. The addition of professional work placement to our law degrees means that students have the opportunity to get real-world experience, to work in practice, to work across a range of sectors, and they develop those real-world skills that will give them perspective when they come back to finish their degree, but also help students to figure out what they want to do once they graduate.
The mooting is an exciting element, and it's good for the students of NUI Galway to engage in that, because it gives them a practical experience of career as a barrister, a career as solicitors. They get to see a court really actively. That is the difference between the law courses offered in Galway and those of other schools of law. It's this practical element.
Ever since a young age, I've always been interested in the law, in politics, in public affairs, and that is something that I was able to foster and develop in my time in NUI Galway, both through my academic studies and also through my involvement in student societies. And I was actively involved in the NUI Galway Law Society and in the NUI Galway Business Society.
I chose to study law in Galway because of the variety of modules that it encompassed. So there was business modules, law modules, and I had the opportunity to study German and go abroad to Germany on my Erasmus year. But I also chose NUI Galway because I always got a really friendly, homely sense here. I find Galway to be a really vibrant city, and I would say you will not regret coming to study law in NUI Galway. It's been a fun experience for me. I've learnt and grown so much as a person, and all in the beautiful surroundings of NUI Galway.
There is a really close relationship between the students and the lecturers and the engagement that takes place, which I think sets Galway apart.
Well, one thing I would say to people that are considering undertaking an undergraduate law degree is that there is a huge amount of opportunities for students once they graduate. It's not just about legal practice, qualifying as a solicitor or a barrister. There's a whole variety of careers that are open to students across a whole range of different fields. A law degree really is a passport to a lot of different types of careers.